I installed 127 skills into Claude Code. 5 do all the heavy lifting. Stay till the end. Number 1 writes the rest for you. Number 5, File Organizer. Point it at a folder of chaos. It plans, then moves every file. 200 files, 12 folders. Number 4, Humanizer. It strips the AI tells, M dashes, filler, hype until it reads human. Number 3, Changelog Generator. It turns your Git history into release notes customers actually read. Number 2, Icon Set Generator. 1 prompt. A full icon set, 1 style, ready to ship. Quick Catch. A skill only fires when its description matches your prompt. Vague means dead. Scope it tight. And number 1, Skill Creator. Claude writes new skills for itself. Show it your process once. It never forgets. Autocomplete. To staff. 1 file. So, all 5 are free in the description. Go teach your Claude.